Hong Kong, where East meets West on every street corner. And you're stuck reading a map instead of living it. Crowded group buses, a guide rattling off dates while you're stuck at the back, unable to hear a word about the temple in front of you. Uvamai's Hong Kong self-guided audio tour hands you the city's most iconic stops. Colonial history, hidden temples, buzzing markets, narrated with stories no plaque will tell you. Just $6 for your private access link, professional audio guides, and an interactive map, ready whenever you are. No group, no rushing, Hong Kong at your pace. Ride the tram up to Victoria Peak and take in a skyline that never sleeps. Wander the incense-filled halls of a centuries-old temple. Lose yourself in Mongkok's night markets, where neon signs and street food stalls spill into every alley. Hear the layered story of a city built on trade, migration, and reinvention. From colonial rooftops to the world's most photographed skyline. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Hong Kong, not just photograph it. Get your Hong Kong access link today. Just $6, your city, your story, your pace. Book now at uvamai.com.